If you just come on, let me name it out again for you. We got watermelon, mango, red grape, pineapple, yellow melon. So if you just come on and I say, what is that I'm gonna make? Then that's what I'm gonna make right now. And it's gonna be super easy and nice. We're gonna put some ginger in it. All right. Something simple. All right, so we put in the grapes. All right. Just like this. And then we got mango. I brought this in the supermarket, you know, because when you leave your house, guys, it's not good for you to not eat. Because when you go up on the road, you feel like you want to eat something. And I said to myself, no man, I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to make sure do this. Make a nice smoothie. You know? Yeah. So I want to encourage you guys, you know what I mean? When you're not on the road, then we're gonna get some melon, some lemon juice. It's summer, guys. Outside is nice, the weather is proper. Yeah. So good vibes. Then we're going to pour in that beautiful lemon juice. All right. So yeah, man. And then with a simple, you know, yeah, good vibes. Yeah. We're going to yeah, put a piece of ginger. Some ginger inside of it. All right, this is the ginger. All right, guys, it's good to have some ginger in it. All right, yeah. So that's you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to put a little bit of water in it. Not too much water. Loving the water. Yeah, good vibes. Then we're going to put a pinch of apple cider vinegar in it. Not too much. All right, good vibes. What's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, you guys? I don't want to talk much. I think most of you guys are sleeping today because lots of stuff gonna go over the weekend. All right, now we're going to cover it like this. Yes! So that look nice. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. All right? Yeah. That looking good. We're gonna make some nice. Okay? Let's blend it up. Wow. Still looking all right. We could strain it, but we're not gonna strain it. I want you guys to drink that natural like that. See that? That's the way it look. All right. So if you're at home right now and you say to yourself, oh, I don't even know what to look after, go in the kitchen and make some drinks. All right, and get yourself comfortable, natural and healthy. All right, beautiful and simple and delicious. All right, so yeah, man, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes coming out and a lot more ideas. And this is from Chef Ricardo to you guys today. Bless upon yourself. And yeah, a good vibes. So we just decided to share this with you guys today. Thank you for watching.